Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how do I get the length of a string. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically if I want a string, so I want to check the length of it. How do I get that one? So there is a property that is called the length. Okay, so I'm going to check it out over here. So what we have to do, my string dot length. Okay, so like array we are always checking with the dot length. Okay, so string also we are going to check it with the dot length. Like if the string length is like greater than this one, so do something. So if such kind of functionality you are coming in, so you can just check the length by using the length property. Okay, so if I go and check this one, you can see that the length of that string is 13. That is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So you can see that, right? So length of the string is 13. So this is how we are able to get the length of the string. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.